Good morning, students.
Good morning,
So, it's our English class. And today we have to learn about four-letter words, sound of A and E. Okay. Last class we had the three-letter words किए. Now we have to write and learn four-letter words. Write down A. Sound of A is A. And sound of E is E. Sound of E is also A. Sound of A is A. And sound of E is A. Okay, look at the board. One more time we have to read. Perfect. Rat. I didn't hear your voice. Back. Wall. This is wall or roof. And what is this? And what is this? No. Yes. And what is this? Gate. Very good. Tall. Ba and band. You are wearing band. I am wearing clutcher. Sa and sand. These are four-letter words with sound A. Now we have to learn sound A. Look at the board. Yes. Nest. What is nest? Can you tell me? घोंसला. होता क्या है घोंसला? A nest is house of birds. किसका हाउस होता है? Yes. Na as nest. Ra as rest. जब भी आप स्कूल से घर जाते हो, आप थक जाते हो, तो आप क्या करते हो? Rest. Ba and bell. Do you remember ding dong bell? Yes. Ba and bell. Ba and bell. Ba as best. Sa and cell. Fa and fell. Wa as west. Who's calling me? What is west? Who is telling me? West. Wa as west. Who is calling me? आप जब भी आपको समर्स में गर्मी लगती है, आप अंदर बनियान पहनते हैं ना, यस, इनर पहनते हैं ना, उसको कहते हैं वेस्ट। उसको क्या कहते हैं? ओके, सो वन मोर टाइम यू हैव टू रीड विद मी। backpack, backpack, rack, on wall, on call, on tall, and van, and sand, as nest, as rest, and bell, and bell, and cell, and fell, and west. Write down in your notebooks.